Lightning strike can cause temporary paralysis. Paralysis is a temporary paralysis caused by lightning strike. Paralysis. Lightning, plus paralysis. Noun: paralysis, medicine, transient weakness in limbs following a lightning strike, often associated with cold, mottled skin. A 50-year-old man presented to our emergency department with history of lightning strike when he was standing under a tree in the course of a lightning storm. He was unconscious for 15 minutes, and after he regained consciousness, he was unable to move both his lower limbs with loss of sensations and urinary retention. U.S. National Library of Medicine, Paralysis. What a neurosurgeon should know about it. 2012. A lightning strike can cause temporary paralysis. This was only known recently, however this was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before it was discovered.
فعتوا عن أمر ربهم فأخذتهم الصاعقة وهم ينظرون فما استطاعوا من قيام وما كانوا منتصرين.
But they defied the command of their Lord, so the lightning struck them as they looked on. They could not rise up, nor could they find help. They could not rise up. Today we know why they could not rise up. This is paralysis, temporary paralysis caused by lightning strike. How could an illiterate man who lived 1,400 years ago have known all about paralysis?